What's up, educators? I'm excited today to bring you another one of Khanmigo's awesome tools out there to make life easier for both teachers and building level administrators. And it's called the SMART Goal Writer. SMART goal meaning specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This framework helps in setting effective goals not only for our students, but also for our faculty and staff. So stay with us today. We're going to dive right into the SMART Goal Writer and show both teachers and building level leaders how you can save a lot of time and write more accurate and achievable SMART goals. All right, so let's start with my administrators and our two examples we're going to give here today. I'm going to start with administrators and then I'm going to jump straight to teachers. So once you log into Khanmigo and you're at your dashboard, administrators and teachers, we're going to write a SMART goal. So we're going to come right here to support and SMART Goal Writer. All right, administrators. Now, let's say, I know it says student's first name, but again, administrators can use this, coaches, anyone dealing with faculty and staff trying to drive change in the whole building. Let's say, for example, you realize that your faculty and staff is struggling with formative assessments. So we're just going to say faculty for the student name. We're going to say, what do we want to improve? We want to improve formative assessments. And what are our desired outcomes? We want formative assessments to be effective throughout our building. Now, we want our detailed steps here, and we're going to let Khanmigo do the heavy lifting. This is awesome, guys. Check this out. So, let's say you now don't have to sit down and hash things out and try and figure out what are our steps, what are our measures for success. Check out what Khanmigo has done here. It's given us our professional goal that we gave it. We want to improve formative assessments. It gives us a little note. You can hit pause at any time to read this in more detail, but notice our objective, our goal, ensure that effective implementation and use of formative assessments, measures for success, at least 90% of teachers in the building regularly administer. Let's say, 90%. That's a little high. We're really struggling with that. We could come right here and we could edit that if we want to. Let's make a change here. Let's scroll back up and let's change it to 80%. So I can tell Khanmigo what I want to do. And bada bing, there you go. Success will be measured by at least 80% of teachers in the building. Come down here. How are we going to achieve that? Look at what Khanmigo has done for us. It's given us a step-by-step guide at how to achieve that goal. We go straight from conducting surveys to organizing our professional development, providing teachers, guys. This is such an awesome time saver. And it saves you a lot of that brain power for you to be able to put towards other things. Now, don't take it just as it is. Remember, you and your leadership team will want to take something like this and do some fine tuning again by coming over here to the sidebars, asking it to try something totally different without prompting it. Notice, boom, it's changed it. Or maybe we want to come down here and say, um, let's chat with it. If we want to chat with it, anything you want to ask, you could type in here. Change this up a little. And it's going to change it for us, and we could immediately copy and paste it in over here. Awesome, awesome tool, guys. Now, I'm going to go back. I'm going to show my teachers what this looks like. Now, let's say, for example, my teachers, you have one or multiple, maybe it's a small group of kids that are struggling with, say, math fluency. So our overall goal is going to improve math fluency with multiplication. And what do we want to do? We want students to multiply faster and more more accurate. We're going to detail steps, yes, and start. So here again, teachers, we have a SMART goal with an objective, with measurements for success, and all of our steps step by step. Awesome, awesome tool. The features work the same. You can come over here and change each one of those steps if you want to. You could tweak the wording, take some of them out. Doesn't matter, but check out where it starts you out at and how quickly it gets you there. Again, this is Khanmigo's awesome smart goal writer. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you learned something that you could take back to your building and improve education. If you liked it, hit that like button and please subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest videos. See you guys next time.